You're about to see a video clip I took yesterday, September 27th, 2008, in our neighborhood. This is how our neighborhood is supposed to look like without water running everywhere. But yesterday, around 4:20 p.m., the big storm just dumped so much water all of a sudden in our neighborhood. Our driveway, as you can see, is completely flooded. And we have a creek next to our driveway, and that water just overrun everywhere. Here you can see the water from the creek, and the overflow just almost reached the deck. And in our basement, look at the lower right corner. You could see water was gushing in through our back door. Inside we had about 2 to 4 inches water. Outside our basement door, the water was nearly 5 feet tall. And this is a rerun of the same clip. I want to point out that orange fire hydrant in the background. That's how much water you can tell, and you couldn't see the intersection at all when the water flooded the whole neighborhood. This much water actually could be prevented if the city storm drain is not clogged. I went to the creek next to our house after the storm. You can see the debris is being clogged up the drain, and there's just so much water and washing down all that debris and branches and leaves from the north of the city all the way here and accumulated. And our neighbors has cleaned as much as they can, but some of the major structures still need someone from city to do their part of job. And this is our cross-street neighbor's backyard shed. See, the water line is about 2 feet high. Imagine their basement, which is even lower than that line. And our neighbor cross-street, another neighbor, this car you can see in the picture was completely under the flooding water. And this big freezer is gone. This is our next door neighbor, and they had about 18 inches of water in their basement. And their dryer is gone too. Pretty much everything, all their furnitures and also their good memories in the past 50 years is washed away by this muddy and dirty flood waters. And it's just devastating to see all these pictures and all their memories gone now.